Hi, I'm David Magee with DB Magee & Company. We're a middle market business brokerage headquartered here in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. So we're continuing our discussion of profitability measures: net income, cash flow, return on assets, and free cash flow. Metrics you should understand and consider when evaluating a business. In this piece, we're discussing metric 2, cash flow. Cash flow is found in, big surprise, the statement of cash flows, which captures cash inflows and cash outflows over a particular accounting period, whether that's a month, a quarter, or a year. But various cash flows aren't simply lumped together. That wouldn't tell us much. Instead, we categorize them into one of three ways. First, there's cash flow from operations, meaning they're related to the company's core business. Although somewhat simplified, inflows consist of cash generated from customers, while outflows consist of cash paid to suppliers along with other related expenses. The net of the two reflects cash flow from operations. Cash flow from operations gives us the most insight into the company's ability or inability to make a profit, and it's a good indication of the company's short-term viability. Second, there's cash flow related to investing activities. When we say investing activities, we're talking about cash payments related to the acquisition of longer-term assets, like real estate, equipment, subsidiaries, and cash received from the disposition of longer-term assets. Cash flow from investing activities tells us whether the company is making the longer-term investments that presumably will impact future growth. Finally, there's cash flow from financing activities. These are cash flows between the company and its owners and creditors. Inflows would include cash proceeds from stock sales, from bond issuances, or other credit arrangements. Outflows could include dividend payments to shareholders, or cash payments to repurchase stock, pay down debt, or repurchase previously issued bonds. That's cash flow, our second of 4 profitability measures. Next up, return on assets. And remember, if you're contemplating buying or selling a business, give us a call.